Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all kind of highlighted languages which are currently used by us, and after tapping on the other languages we can enter the full list of them. So here we have to find the language we want to apply and tap on it. So let me pick maybe Turkish, just tap, and after tapping your device will ask you if you really want to set this particular language as a default one. So just tap on apply language, and as you can see, from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language is added to this kind of shortcut list, like in my case the Turkish, English and Spanish, all you have to do is to actually reorder the languages. So let me set maybe Spanish, just tap on it and hold it and then drag it to this first position, and immediately we've got the Spanish set, and the same situation with the English. And as you can see, we've got English. Of course, if you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the languages and tap on remove and remove again. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.